I fall down upon the ground, press my face against the earth, till my heart it rises over my head. As the wheat it bows down low when the autumn wind blows, I kneel before the one